Okay, today we're going to change the battery in a Toyota FJ Cruiser 2007 model. Always take off the negative terminal first, the black. Positive is red. It takes a 10 millimeter ratchet. Here we go. Okay, we're going to remove this and we're going to get out of the way. Now we're going to do the positive. Now we're going to loosen these that hold the battery down. You don't have to take these all the way off. Loosen it enough that it'll pop out. Like that. It comes out that easy. The back side just flipped out. Now I'm going to run and get another battery. Make sure to take your old battery so you can get an exchange fee. That's the way it's going to sit. And I'm going to take this piece off right here. Fish this piece in first. It sticks in this way. Then you want to fit this piece in there. See if we can. And then you snug it up. You tighten these up and get it in there good. Okay, when you hook the battery up, you do positive first. You do it the reverse. You do positive first, then negative. I'll tighten this up. Okay, that's firm. Then you do the negative. And that's all fastened up. Now we're going to start it up. Okay, let's see if it starts. Oh yeah! Job done.